Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how to transfer money from Ocean credit card to your bank account, okay? So I'm going to guide you through step by step. So first things first guys, you want to actually check your credit card terms, okay? Just log into your Ocean credit card account or check your statement to see if money transfers are actually allowed. You want to be aware of any fees or interest rates as these may actually apply immediately to the transferred amount. Then, guys, what you want to do is basically you want to set up online or mobile banking. If you haven't done it already, guys, you want to register your Ocean credit card for online or mobile banking, guys. Okay, just download the Ocean app or just visit their website and log in with your details. Then you just need to initiate the money transfer. So in your Ocean account, you want to look for the option like money transfer or send to bank account. And then you just want to enter your bank account details, including your account number and sort code. And then basically, guys, you need to just specify the amount. Just choose how much money you want to actually transfer and actually be cautious not to exceed, your credit limit or your cash advance limit. And then, guys, at the end, what you want to do is basically just confirm the transfer. Just review the transfer details, including fees, and actually confirm the transaction. Basically, the funds usually appear in your bank account within 1 to 3 working days. And then what you need to do, guys, is just to monitor your credit card statement. So basically, after the transfer, you want to regularly check your statement to actually track the payment due date and avoid, unnecessary interest charges, guys. And I'm going to give you a pro tip. So, if your Ocean credit card doesn't support direct transfers, you want to consider withdrawing cash